Welcome to the Right Vibe Yoga channel. My name is Iuliia and today I'm going to guide you through a beautiful pranayama which calls Ujjayi. So when you are ready, create a beautiful space and comfortable for your breath work. I wish you a beautiful practice. We will start with the legs crossed, or you can assume a lotus pose or half lotus. Remember that you will need to sit for 10 minutes, so the pose should be comfortable. Put your hands on your knees, close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Continue breathing slowly, deeply. And the next inhalation, ensure that you involve the belly into the breathing. When you inhale, the belly expands. When you exhale, a belly deflates. Permit this free movement for your belly. Don't think how it looks like. Continue breathing. Feel yourself from the inside. Observe your body. Bring your attention on your glutes, which are attached to the surface. On your knees, which are directed to the ground. On your shoulders, which are low and far from the ears. On your shoulder blades, which are connected. Breathe. Prepare your body for the pranayama which we are going to practice now. Inhale and exhale. Ensure that your posture is straight, that you feel comfortable with your body. Feel the space around you. It is safe, you are protected. Nothing disturbs you. You are where you have to be. Breathe. Inhale with the belly, with the chest. Exhale with the belly, with the chest. A couple of breaths here. Permit yourself this moment of stillness and calmness. You can visualize yourself in this beautiful place in Sirolo, where I am sitting now. Behind me is a beautiful cave. The sea waves sound, the birds, the wind, the sun. Feel all these elements on your body. And when you're ready, remain with the eyes closed. I will guide you with my voice. So now we're going to breathe in Ujjayi. Inhale. You have to close your glottis. Not completely, but a little bit, to give this the ocean sound, like you are about to snore. Inhale and exhale. On the next inhalation, breathe through Ujjayi. In the next inhalation, try to activate your glottis. Exhale. And the next inhalation, activate your glottis. Inhale in Ujjayi. Exhale in Ujjayi. Inhale. And exhale. Continue breathing. Focus on your belly, on your throat. Try to control the movement of inhalation and exhalation. If you lost yourself for a moment, distracted from Ujjayi, come back. Return with your mind to this point. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Ujjayi works on the third chakra, Manipura, which is responsible for your ego, self-confidence. Ujjayi breathing helps to reactivate your abdominal muscles and inner organs. With this beautiful practice, you are creating vibrations which help to stimulate your internal organs. So try to live it. Try to enjoy the benefits of this practice. Continue breathing in Ujjayi. Activate your glottis. Your breath should sound like an ocean wave. Try to reach this perfect sound. Inhale and exhale. We'll remain here for 1 more minute more. You are doing great. Try to disconnect from the outer world and bring your attention inward. The oceans. Inhale and exhale. Now try to make your inhalation. Now make your inhalation the same length. Now we will inhale for 4 times and exhale for 4 times, all the time in Ujjayi. So we will bring our breathe in and breathe out and at equal times. 30 minutes more, 30 seconds more. Ujjayi is perfect for concentration and for re-energizing your brain. It really helps to focus on daily tasks with no distractions. So immediately after this practice, you will be able to start your working day or whatever tasks you have in list today. Now inhale. Normally, not in Ujjayi, open your eyes. Return to this visual world. Take a few breaths here with me. Feel what your body feels. Observe your mind, observe your body. And then bring your arms to the top. Unite your hands above the head. And thank yourself for finding time for this useful practice. And I wish you love and happiness. Namaste.